Hey guys, Max here with A1 Website Pro, and today I'm going to be talking about the YouTube rank checker. Now, the cool thing about this rank checker is it gives you a little bit more education on what you should write about, and what would be worth writing about or doing a video on, as opposed to what not would be. And I've just recently been using this tool, but I'm going to share my knowledge, share what I know about it, because there are some things that are pretty cool. Now, whenever I typed in YouTube rank checker in Google, I could see that I'm getting this little box. This is what motivated me to write it. Google's telling me I'm ranking for this particular keyword phrase, but I have nothing on my website about it. So that's what has prompted me to write this post here about the YouTube rank checker, and now I have to do a video on it. So in order to check out my competition, I'm going to go to the YouTube search engine and type in YouTube rank checker, just like that, and here we go. You can see that this guy here, he's in a #1 position. The competition, here's my search volume. It's kind of like in the orange. I guess it's all right. Competition is green. Overall 48 out of 100, using this particular keyword phrase, YouTube rank checker. So let me go spell that right, YouTube rank checker. So I'm fair 34 out of 100 over here. And it looks like I have a little bit of competition, but I don't know how well it is. This guy only has 824 views. Let me go ahead and use my TubeBuddy tool over here. I'm going to click on YouTube rank checker online, see what it says. So now we're rank checker online, and look here, I have it. Very good. So I want to name this video that I'm doing right now with you YouTube rank checker online. And so this is what we're talking about. This is called TubeBuddy, and if you click the link in the description of this video, it takes you right to the website, to my website, and also I have a link to TubeBuddy, help you get started, and I'll have it in the description of this video as well. But if we go to this guy that it's in the #1 position, let me hit pause here. He has YouTube rank checker, and then he has a nice title. He has a really nice description, and I figured, this description and his title is the reason why he's beating the competition for this particular keyword phrase, YouTube rank checker online. Notice how he's also utilizing all of these keyword phrases. I could grab all these keyword phrases if I like. I think I'm going to do a little bit better than him because he started using names and broad phrases in there. So I'm gonna try to outrank him if I can. He's had 983 views on this, 34 comments, 45 likes. He's had a lot of likes on Facebook. So. And I watched this video, and it's not really about a good YouTube rank checker. It's about this another place, and he mainly talks about his concrete business in this video. But you can see this thing is optimized to the hilt for YouTube rank checker. He did a video on his concrete, and had everybody that watches this video, talks about how he's ranking really good for, concrete. Well, he's ranking real good for YouTube rank checker too, but when you get to this particular video, it really doesn't have much to do with that. So, and if you look at the other competition, we could look at the other competition too here, like this guy. He uploaded this 3 years ago. He has 2.8 thousand views, but he could probably do a lot better now, but he doesn't have. He has 2.86 thousand. He's got some likes, but he doesn't have much of a description here, and he doesn't have any hashtags in it. So TubeBuddy's going to help us with this. So let me go ahead and show you a demonstration on how TubeBuddy and this YouTube rank checker will help you out. Let me grab a video. I'm just going to grab any old video that I have here on my desktop. I got one in test. I'm going to go ahead and grab this and upload it. Now, usually I would change the file name, but I'm going to put YouTube rank checker online, just like that. All right. you always want it to be the first thing in your description and the first thing in your tags, and then you could go ahead and start adding all these other ones. But look at this. I mean, YouTube video rank checker, YouTube SEO rank checker. So I can, just by clicking on these things, I'm adding these tags. Okay. Now, of course, you want to come in here and give it a nice long description. You want to utilize almost 100 characters in that title. Okay. Now you see a lot of people putting a pipe in there, like so, putting a pipe and adding more stuff, which you know, obviously I will be doing as well to get my keywords in there. But we're going to go ahead and I'm not going to be publishing this or anything, because this is just me shooting a gun on this particular video. But as you could see, we have I could go back, study the competition a little bit more, see what they did. You know, go ahead, type in YouTube rank checker and add stuff as I see fit in this video, right? And give particular links back to the website, back to you know, useful resources that have to do with this video. But after it's all said and done, I'll click Save Changes and publish it, and see where I rank for YouTube Rank Checker online. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do that now. I won't have the results in this video because obviously I got to process this video and everything. But what you want to do is you really want to take your time and make sure that you put a really good description in there. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope this video was good and beneficial for you.